How can I assist you today?
Hi, I want to schedule an appointment with Michael Brown.
Could you please provide the type of case you want to discuss with Michael Brown?
Real estate matter.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm excited to give you an overview on our project, an AI virtual assistant that is designed to streamline the often cumbersome process of scheduling legal consultations. We have built an AI-powered virtual assistant that allows users to book appointments with specific lawyers for specific purposes at specific times simply by making a phone call. Problem statement. We all know how frustrating it can be to schedule meetings. The back and forth phone calls, the endless email, and the constant juggling of calendars can be incredibly time consuming, especially when dealing with legal matters that require precision and efficiency. We identify this pain point and set out to create a solution overview and platform intros. Our solution leverages the power of artificial intelligence and automation to create a seamless scheduling experience. Here's a breakdown of how it works and the platform we have utilized. Twilio. First, we use Twilio. For those unfamiliar, Twilio is a cloud communication platform that allows developers to programmatically make and receive phone calls, send and receive text messages, and perform other communication functions. We use Twilio to provide a dedicated phone number that users can call to access our virtual assistant. Vapi. Next, we integrated Vapi. Vapi is a platform that specializes in creating AI-powered voice assistants. It enables us to build a conversational AI that can understand natural language, process our requests, and respond intelligently. In our project, Vapi is a core component that listens to the users, understands their needs regarding the lawyer, purpose, and time, and then acts upon that information. Make.com. Finally, we utilize Make.com. Make.com is a powerful automation platform that allows us to connect different applications and automate workflows. In our case, Make.com acts as a bridge between Vapi and our calendar system. It takes the information gathered by the Vapi and automatically create appointments in the appropriate calendars.
Hi, Cornelia speaking from Russell Law. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I want to schedule an appointment with Michael Brown.
Okay, please go ahead and provide me with the date and time you'd like to schedule the appointment with Michael Brown.
Yes, I want to schedule the appointment on Monday at 2 p.m.
This'll just take a sec. The date and time you provided is valid. Now, could you please provide your full name and email address for the appointment?
Yes, my full name is Arisha and my Gmail is charisha70@gmail.com. It's confirmed, just schedule the appointment.
Thank you, Aisha. Just to confirm, your email is chadisha70@gmail.com, correct?
Yes, correct.
Thank you, Aisha. For the appointment, could you please provide the type of case you want to discuss with Michael Brown?
Yes, real estate matter.
This'll just take a sec. Your appointment with Michael Brown has been successfully scheduled for Monday at 2 p.m. An appointment scheduling link has been sent to your email. Please refer to it for further details. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
No, thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions or need further assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. This is how you can build any type of platform using low-code and no-code technologies without using a single line of code.